Hey everybody, it's me again. I just wanted to provide a short video on how to use up your scraps making baby blocks. This is a very simple thing to do, but it makes a great gift. So I had my niece, I taught her how to make them last year. She's learning how to sew. And so I hope you enjoy this short little video on how to do it. I'll give you a brief introduction right here of how to put them together, and then you can kind of watch her do it. It's a really short video, so it's kind of fun. But these are the blocks. They're little 4-inch blocks, baby blocks. They're foam filled. And basically all you do is you take 4.5-inch squares and you sew them together to make a bucket, and you leave the top part off. And then in the video you'll see we embroidered letters on the top. You can embroider anything you want. You can put a name or whatever, you know, the baby's birth date, that kind of thing. And then you sew in that last panel into here and leave one side open, and then you can shove your foam in there, and there you go. Cute little things, little stackable blocks. So she can show you how to do that. There's not a lot of instruction in the video. It's just kind of watching her do it. But I was so proud of her that she learned how to do that last year. So I hope you enjoy it. 4.5 inches, that's what we need. All right. Hey, it's on sale too. I'm thinking it's that one.
Do they have like a measurement?
It should say on the tag. Yeah, that's the tag. What's she doing?
She's cutting the foam in half.
That's right.
That's 2 yards.
And we're getting 1, right?
Yeah.
We're getting 1 yard.
I don't know.
Yes, we're getting 1 yard.
There are like 2 pieces here.
Are there? You just need one off the end then. That's too long. Yeah. So what letter are we doing now?
You're doing N.
N.
Yes.
We have been spelling Evelyn.
Yep.
Right. Okay. And the N is a purple block.
Yep.
Awesome.
It's not a very clean cut.
That's all right. So this is going to be the background for the N.
Yep.
Okay. And then we have to pick out the letter, right?
Yup.
Okay. You got the background piece cut? That's it. That's in your hand, right?
Yep.
And then you've got, what's that right there? That white thing.
That is
Stabilizer, right?
yes, stabilizer.
Yeah. Okay.
I just forget the name of it.
So you're putting the background on top of the stabilizer? Okay. And then what? That goes on there. Okay. All right.
Snap it.
I don't think you loosened it enough, did you? Oh, hey, you did. Super.
I just stay in there.
And then show me real quick your piece that you picked for the letter. Just hold it up.
Just the real side?
Yep, it's nice. Okay, so we'll take that to the machine.
Okay.
I want a different color, huh?
I mean, would this work?
Well, of course it would work. But you can use whatever color you want.
What goes with this?
Purple. Take that one out of there and go find something else.
Maybe like a light.
All right. So we chose a different color.
Yep.
Not that one.
Nope. Alright, go.
Mm-hmm.
Cut.
Mm-hmm. Don't need to take it out. You don't need to take it out.
Thought I was trimming it.
No. What are you trimming?
Oh,
There's nothing on there to trim.
Never mind.
Now you're putting your letter fabric on there.
Oh man, it's all bubbly up. There you go.
Put your hands up there. Remember, you have to keep it smooth. Okay, now what are we doing?
Now we're taking it out and trimming it.
Right. Very good. All right, so show it to me. You've trimmed it?
Yep.
Very nice. Now what are we going to do?
Now we're putting it back in so it can embroider. I'm putting it in. So now I wondered why it looked so different.
Right. Okay, so now it's going to do the satin stitch part of it?
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Okay. Looks like it finished.
Yep.
Now what are we going to do?
I'm going to take it out and cut the squares.
All right. Okay. You got those two done? Okay, now take your hands off of everything. Now, on the sides, there's some handles on that thing. Just turn it slowly. Yeah. Keep going, one more. Yeah, now you can cut the other two sides.
Sweet.
Isn't that nice? Okay. Now you should be able to pull it away enough to just trim it. Oh, look what you did. Yay!
That one a bit easier.
You got an L. Yay! All right, let's see the end result of what you made. Oh my goodness, look what you made. That's awesome. This is Evelyn. And you're giving these as gifts today?
Yes.
As a gift today?
Yes.
Great. Was this your first thing that you learned how to sew last year? I think it was.
Yes. No, it was my pants.
Your pants. That's
My
right, your pants. And then we went to blocks. And now you do these by yourself.
Yep.
Except for the embroidery, which you do
Yes.
by yourself over here. Right?
Not entirely, but yes.
Well, yeah. You're getting there. Oh, that's awesome.
I really wanted to put some crinkly in here.
Right.
But I forgot.
Yeah, but we'll
I
have
was
to
in
do
such
that
a
next
hurry.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got it. It's over here in the drawer, but yeah, we'll have to do that next time. Awesome. All right. Well, thank you for showing me.
Oh, of course.
You can find a string. Ah, awesome.